This video discusses the differences between studying and cramming. We'll also spend some time discussing the effective studying habits and provide useful tips. The learning outcomes for this video will be discussing the definition of cramming and studying, provide an overview of the study cycle, and a discussion on why cramming does not work. When your professor says, "Make sure to study this for the test," what exactly does that mean? For a lot of students, they think to study means to sit down for hours the night before a test and read, highlight, and try to memorize large amounts of information. That is not studying. That's called cramming. You cram when you try to absorb large amounts of information in a short amount of time, and it is not helpful in the long run. Studying involves actively engaging in your learning daily. Active engagement is the process of constructing meaning from text that involves making connections to lectures and notes, forming examples, and regulating your own learning. Active studying does not mean highlighting or underlining text, rereading, or rote and repetitive memorization. While these activities are necessary and important, they are not effective studying methods. Studying daily or weekly will also provide you with better insights into which learning style works best for you. Here are 2 helpful tips to implement in your studying routine that can help you become an engaged and active learner. Number 1, use your calendar and plan a flexible but consistent study habit. For example, use your smartphone to block out 3 to 5 hours, say every Sunday, to study for one or more subjects. You also want to use your calendar to note exam dates, quizzes, tutoring appointments, and other non-academic appointments. Number 2, become very familiar with the study cycle, which is an effective studying method developed by Frank Christ that categorizes studying into 5 parts: previewing, attending class, reviewing, studying, and checking your understanding. For more information on the study cycle, check out the next video titled Studying 101: How to Study. In conclusion, the main idea here is to do a little bit of reviewing every day so that you make it easier for you to remember important information. You shouldn't only see a bit of information once or twice before the test, because the more you're exposed to the material, the better you will understand it. Cramming before tests might help you do a little better on that test in the short term, but it doesn't really help you learn things in the long term, as the knowledge will fade if it is not committed to your long-term memory, and that makes it harder for you in the long run. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck with your studies.